Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out, and this is our series on Will It Fly? So this is our awesome Sky Phantom drone, and we've done a few videos here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, look at the playlist, Will It Fly? And the next up is Moana. Moana, you want to go for a flight? Well, we will see. We will see. All right, we'll have our expert go put Moana and our drone in an excellent spot for flight. Let's see what he picks here. On the carpet, huh? All right. I thought he was going to go tile, but he's the expert, not me. All right, wait. Before we get started here, what do you think, expert number one? Is it going to fly?
I think it will.
You think it will fly? Is it going to be able to do flips?
Well, we're not sure yet, but we're going to find out.
We are going to find out. Expert number two, what do you think? Is it going to fly? Expert number two says, yes, it's going to fly. And I don't know. Moana is kind of heavy. So I don't know if this is going to fly or not. But, well, let's give it a go. Look at that. Moana is dangling by her feet. Sorry, Moana. It was the best spot to put the tape onto you. So Moana is flying. Expert flyer, how does it feel? Does the drone harder to fly?
Well, when I took off, it was kind of wobbling because the Moana was wobbling.
Oh.
I got control. I just didn't touch anything.
Okay.
And then it stopped wobbling, so then I could get my hands back on the controller. And now I can fly it perfect.
Yay.
Let's try a flip. You ready?
All right, here goes the flip. Let's see it.
Oh, whoops. I accidentally pressed the land button.
Nope, but you pulled it off.
Yeah, sometimes I can do that.
All right. Here we're doing a flip. Oh, man, and Moana goes down hard. Sorry about that, Moana. What a crash. What a test. Hey, friends, I do not recommend that you hook things up to your drone, but just for fun, we're going to give it a go. We bought a couple of these drones, so we figured we'd have a little extra fun with them. The chances of one of these breaking is pretty high, though, so I do not suggest you do this at home. Hope you appreciate these videos. Give us that thumbs up. We definitely appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel. Look at those playlists. We've got one under there that's going to be called Drones Will It Fly? And then we also have another one that is going to be Drones the Sky Phantom. So if you want to learn how to fly the drone, go to the Sky Phantom playlist. And also if you want to see us do a little bit of fun here as we probably break one of the drones trying to see if objects will fly in the air. So cool. All right, we'll see you next time.